Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel with a new video. Today we're going to make a start on fitting Lucy's interior back together. So we're going to start on the door cards today. One door card there, followed by the door strap, which goes on there. So I've already cleaned off the door card. It is going to need probably repainting it at some point later because it is a bit grubby. So what we're going to do is there's two flathead crosshead screws there, and there. Put door card on, furniture back on, job done. So we'll get on with that now. Better. I'm not as agile as I used to be. Sign of getting old. You never get old, people. Pop that one down there. Thanks for being patient while I've been trying to recover. It started off as a cold, and it's ended up as a chest infection. So on Thursday, I couldn't even speak. Hence why I couldn't put out content on the Friday. Well, obviously, here I am in a garage which is probably about 4 degrees Celsius. But I've got the jumper on under my overalls. And I can actually speak now, which is a bonus. And it means I can make a start on getting Lucy ready for the summer season. So, there's something there. Found it. He says. That's better. Put that there. Oops. It is a little bit awkward in here trying to whack. But we'll cope. Right. So we look on the back of the lock. Umpteen clips. do. Pull them off. So for some reason that top corner isn't going in. You got why aren't you? Are you? One broken clip. Lovely. See if I can mind this window a minute. Open the door, make it a bit easier. Adapt and modify everyone. Oops, there. You always get one, don't you? I think that's pretty much it. I'll have a look later. So what the plan is I've got a new battery for the car. So what I'm going to do is, excuse me, what I'm going to do is swap the battery out. I've bought some petrol. So I'm going to stick the battery on her, give her a start, and get her into a better position, because when we first pushed her back in here, she wasn't in the best position. It was literally dark and we just wanted to get her in. So get her started. She hasn't been started for, well, she's been started while she's been in the restorers, but she hasn't really ran. So the plan is to get some fuel in her, put the new battery on, get her started, get her turned around, get her moved a little bit more central in the garage, and then just let her run for quite a while, just to make sure we got no leaks anywhere in the car. Eventually these cars are going to come off again and get repainted, but this is just to make sure she's starting to come together. Makes it look like she's actually making an effort. Right, so oops. There. We've got more content coming up in the future as well. I've got to do the wheels, so see, I'll do that springtime when as it gets a bit better and a bit warmer. Get them resprayed because they're holding the short at the moment. They would have been silver originally, so get that sorted out. At the end of this month, I'm going to order the carpet. So it's in springtime. I'll come up here, get the carpet fitted, get the seats back in, and obviously the seat I was then to by the restorer. So that will go back to him, and obviously she'll have an original red interior in again. And slowly starting to come together. And one door card. How long did that take? What? Probably less than 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to work my way around the rest of the car, and then I'll show you the finished product, because you obviously don't want to see me for an hour just putting door cards in. So I'll cut back to you very shortly, if I can get out.